Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're on the right YouTube account and syncing preferences so changes persist. Next, clear the browser cache or app storage to remove corrupted UI data. Once done, restart the app or browser to reload fresh assets. If you're using extensions, temporarily disable them or open an incognito/private window to see whether an add-on is altering layout or behavior. These steps eliminate common local issues, so you can focus on deeper UI fixes that follow. You now inspect YouTube's built-in layout controls. Switch theme, reset homepage and watch page customizations, and toggle experimental features to default. Make sure your browser or the YouTube app is updated, and update graphics drivers when using desktop to prevent rendering glitches. Once you've applied those resets, test the interface on another device or browser to confirm whether the problem is account-wide or device-specific. This helps you narrow the cause and prevents unnecessary changes to settings that were not responsible for the issue. Finish by performing advanced fixes. Reinstall the app or create a fresh browser profile to remove residual corruptions. Once done, replicate the issue and gather screenshots, exact steps, and device info so you can report to YouTube help if necessary. If problems persist, try switching networks or restoring select device settings that affect rendering. Key troubleshooting tip: if the UI changes only on one device, focus on local resets. If it follows your account, file a report with clear reproduction details for platform-side resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.